Welcome children to the maths lecture, and we are solving miscellaneous problem set 2 till sum number 8. Question number 1 to 8 we have completed till now. In this video lecture we are going to solve sum number 9 now. So all of you will open question number 9. Okay, I will read the question for you. From the given figure, there is a figure given of a right angle triangle. Find the length of hypotenuse AC and the perimeter of triangle ABC. Now given triangle is a right angled triangle. Okay. So we will first draw the triangle as per the given information. So name of the triangle is ABC and hypotenuse is AC. C. So this will be B 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse. Okay. The given information is in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. So angle B is 90 degrees. Length BC is 21. Length BC is 21. No unit is given. And length AB is 20. Length AB is 20. So from this you have to find hypotenuse, and then along with hypotenuse you have to find the perimeter. So let us begin. First we will write the things given. In triangle ABC, measure angle B equals 90 degrees. Length AB equals 20. Length BC equals 21. So these are the things given. Okay. So now by Pythagoras theorem you can find the hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Okay. So hypotenuse we don't know. Base is 21. 21 square plus 20 square will give us answer as 441 plus 400, that is 841. So therefore hypotenuse is equal to root 841. Root 841 gives us answer as 29. So therefore length of hypotenuse is 29. Now you have to find the perimeter. So therefore perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to 20 plus 21 plus 29, which gives me answer 70. So 70 units is the perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay. So this is your 9th answer. Now let us see our 10th one question. If the edge of a cube is 8 cm long, find its total surface area. Now cube means all the sides are equal. So one of the edges given 8 cm. You have to find the total surface area. Total surface area of cube is 6L square. Formula, that is 6 sides square. sum number 10. Now first the given thing I will write length of side of cube is equal to 8 centimeter. Then total surface area, therefore total surface area of cube is equal to 6 multiplied by side square, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 8 square, which will be 6 into 8 extra 8 square is 64, and so answer you get as 384. 6 4s are 24, 4 carried 2, 6 is a 36 plus 2 38 square centimeter. So therefore total surface area of cube is 384 square centimeter. So this is your 10th sum, children. Take down. Now the last one, 11th one, factorize. You have to factorize the given question. That is 365 y raised to 4 z cube minus 146 y square z raised to 4. So you have to find the factors. Let us find. Eleventh one, 365 y raised to 4 z cube minus 146 y square z raised to 4. Now these children, 365 and 146 both are divisible by a prime number 73. So directly I will give you the answer. 73 is dividing these both the numbers. Okay, and you can see here y raised to 4 and here y square. So y square can be taken as common. Y square can be taken as common outside, and along with that z cube and z raised to 4. Yes, so z cube can be taken as common. Letters, how you have to take common, children? Letters with smaller index is to be taken outside. Means here 4 is there, here 2 is there index of y. So y raised to 2 can be taken as common. Z raised to 3, z raised to 4. Among these 3 is smaller number. So z raised to 3, the index with smaller number can be taken as common. Now in the bracket, 365, how many times 73? So 5 times. So I will write 5 here. So 73 multiplied by 5 is 365. Now of y raised to 4, y square is outside the bracket. So how much is needed more? Here it is 4, here it is 2. So y square is needed more. So that I will write here. Then z cube and z cube is there outside. So no need of writing about z. Then this minus sign. Minus. Then 73 2s are 146. So I will write 2 here. Then y square is the next term. Y square is there outside the bracket. So no need to write z raised to 4 and here z raised to 3. So 3 z are present. Only 1 z is needed. So 1 z I will write here and I will close the bracket. So this is the factorization of sum number 11. So by this problem set 2 is completed. Multiple choice questions are remaining 3 that we will learn in our next video lecture. So all these sums you practice at home. Thank you.